I see everyone is buying these packing cubes and they're raving about putting them in their suitcase and saving so much room. I decided to see if they were worth all the fuss. Hi friends, it's Erica James with Erica James Travel, and today I wanted to see what the big fuss is about these packing cubes. I'm headed on a 7-day cruise. However, I bought a new suitcase. I buy so many suitcases. I just about have a new suitcase every time I go on a trip because I can't seem to find the suitcase that fits best for me. So I bought this new suitcase and folded my clothes up and my toiletries, and I put them inside of the suitcase. However, it looks like a disaster, and I'm a Virgo. I love everything nice and neat, and I can't deal with this. So that prompted me to try the packing cubes to see if the packing cubes are really beneficial. So I'm going to repack my suitcase and see if these packing cubes are all that they cracked up to be. But first, I'm going to show you what my suitcase actually looks like now before I use the packing cubes. So I have packed my clothes in my new suitcase, and I find this to be horrible. But I literally folded everything and put it in here, and it looks like a disaster. So I'm going to try the packing cubes, and we're going to see if this is going to help. Okay everyone, so I am finished packing and I have the cubes in here, and I think that looks so much better. So as I was stating before, I wasn't a believer, but I think I can handle that. So now, you know, in this small cube, I have all my underclothes. I have all my swim stuff in this one. And I believe in here I have my workout clothes. And here I have shorts and tops and dresses for dinner and dining. So I think I'm pretty satisfied with this. I think this looks a lot better. So I've got everything packed. I'm gonna have to admit it, I love the packing cubes. I like the fact that all of my items are in groups. I love groups. I love to make things together. Really neat and compact in my suitcase. I can close the suitcase now, and most importantly, I can feel comfortable about my clothes inside of the suitcase because I do not like disorganization. So this has really helped me a lot. I'm glad I decided to break down and get the cubes and try them and see how I like them. They're going to get an A+ from me, and I'm glad I was able to find purple. That is my favorite color. So if you're interested in the cubes that I bought, I'm going to drop those links down below for you. I would love to hear you comment and let me know, what do you think about the cubes? Have you used them? What are your thoughts? Well, that's it for me, and I will see you next time. Bye, friends.